Boy. Day. Away, oh. Ha, my people. If you have husband, we care for you. Care for your children. No be say you know bad. No be say you no go do something where go pain you. No be say even your mama they do something it go pain you. Even your papa go fit do something go pain you. But this one why they talk say. So no expect say another person pikin no go do something where go pain you. Now I come say make I tell you now say some of our men, our husbands, our papa, hey na baba, they good oh. If you have one, come here right. Husbands are our hobby. Blessing CEO say husbands are our ladder. Right? He say husbands are our ladder. Some woman self will be say when they did their mama house, they know they free feed. As they marry, no be only marry, they marry you. The man send them to school. The man, no be say he send them to school. He come out from school, you know work. Oh. He still come out. He can't give and work. He join and they do business. They oh. Now I say our man, husbands. Now our ladder. Oh. Hey. Don't be only me talk about blessing. See you talk am. Some husbands safe. You will not born pikin. You born pikin. They no disturb you. Some say they disturb you, but they still good. Husbands. Love Ada Family TV has come for you people. Good relationship that bring a good successful home. It starts from a good husband. I want to say very, very good for our husbands. Most of our husbands are good. Somebody have brought a story today to tell us about the husband. He said when she married, she was secondary school dropouts. Now her husband pay money for her. She went and take WAEC back. She come make her paper. Now her husband now train her for university. Husband, the hobby, yeah. Now this husband, as he finish, now he open his business for her. As the business no come they go, husband no worry you. He still open another one. Hey. So darling husband though, somebody has come with a good story. I beg share these posts. Day! Una know they like better posts. This one a better post. Onye neje n'ogige, weneji goromanga burokia, onye orikobo. Husband, I want to thank you. My body they do me pore because this woman body they do and pore. She they happy. She say up husband, up husband, up husband, lovely husband. Now you get this dance. Hey. Husband, one wife, a woman has come to say thank you for being a good husband to her and even a good father to the children. Yes, this is what I want to hear. Good relationship brings a good, successful home. Thank you, everyone.